Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Whether you're here to compare apps, learn something new, or just stay updated, you're in the right place. Let's jump straight into it.
Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to renew your US passport in Canada. Let's get started. First things first, you'll need to gather all the required documents. This includes your most recent US passport, a passport-size photo, and proof of Canadian residency. Make sure your photo meets the required specifications. Next, head over to the official U.S. Embassy or Consulate website in Canada and download the Passport Renewal Form, which is the DS-82 form. Once you have the form, fill it out carefully, making sure all the information is accurate. Now, you'll need to prepare a valid check or money order to cover the passport renewal fee. Double-check the current renewal fee on the embassy's website to ensure the correct amount. Once your form is completed, it's time to submit it. You can either mail it in or drop it off in person at a U.S. embassy or consulate. It's always a good idea to keep a copy of your application for your own records just in case. Keep in mind that processing times may vary, so be sure to check the embassy's website for the most up-to-date information on processing times. And that's it. That's how you renew your U.S. passport in Canada. Thanks for watching, and make sure to subscribe for more helpful guides.